Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best compressed air duster, selected for their safety, extend device lifespan, and keep your workspace spotless without hassle or expensive maintenance routines. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. THERAGUN 230-Watt Air Duster. The THERAGUN 230-watt air duster stands out as a compact yet high-performance cleaning tool designed for both everyday and outdoor use. Its X3 Ultra motor delivers impressive speeds up to 180,000 RPM, generating a strong airflow that easily removes dust from keyboards, desktops, and tight crevices. With 4 adjustable speed settings, it adapts well to different tasks, whether you're cleaning electronics, drying pet fur, or inflating small items like air mattresses. The cordless design, powered by a 10,000 mAh 21700 lithium-ion battery, ensures flexibility and eliminates the need for constant power access, making it especially useful during travel or outdoor activities. Build quality is another highlight, combining FR4 and ABS materials with a rubberized finish that provides a comfortable grip. The included accessories, such as a cleaning brush and storage bag, add convenience and value. Its eco-friendly approach also replaces disposable compressed air cans, saving money over time. Operation is straightforward, with intuitive controls, including a storm mode for maximum output. Number 2. isfriday X7 Air Duster. The isfriday X7 Air Duster is engineered for efficiency and durability, offering a strong combination of power and practicality. With a maximum wind speed of 45 meters per second and a 240-watt motor, it provides consistent airflow capable of handling dust removal across various environments, from home electronics to car interiors. Its brushless motor ensures stable performance while minimizing heat generation, which contributes to longer operational life. The device features a built-in triple 4,000 mAh lithium battery system, delivering extended runtime for uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Charging is convenient thanks to the Type-C interface with 15-watt fast charging support, allowing quicker turnaround between uses. The metal body adds a premium feel and improves durability compared to plastic alternatives. Weighing under 500 grams, it remains lightweight enough for comfortable handling without sacrificing sturdiness. This model is particularly versatile, capable of tackling soot, debris, and even outdoor cleaning tasks like picnic waste.
Number 3 is isfriday Brushless Air Duster. The isfriday Brushless Air Duster is built for users who need extreme power and industrial-level performance in a compact form. Featuring a high-speed motor capable of producing wind speeds up to 200 miles per hour and thrust levels reaching 1,300 grams, this unit is designed for heavy-duty applications like car drying, snow removal, and debris clearing. Its construction uses a PETG and carbon fiber blend, enhanced with 3D printing technology, giving it exceptional durability while maintaining a lightweight structure. Unlike typical cordless dusters, this model requires an external 18-volt battery compatible with Makita, Milwaukee, or DeWalt systems, making it a flexible choice for users already invested in those ecosystems. The adjustable speed control responds to trigger pressure, allowing precise airflow management. However, due to its high power output, it generates noticeable heat during extended use, so shorter bursts are recommended. Runtime typically ranges between 10 to 15 minutes under full load, which is standard for devices of this class.
Number 4. FENNEC X64 Air Duster. The FENNEC X64 Air Duster is a powerful, multifunctional device designed for both residential and commercial cleaning tasks. Equipped with a 64mm high-speed brushless motor and an 11-blade fan system, it delivers strong airflow with thrust reaching up to 1,400 grams, making it highly effective for demanding jobs like yard cleaning, snow removal, and industrial dust clearing. Its 1,000-watt power output ensures consistent and forceful performance, while the 8,000 mAh battery provides sufficient energy for short but intensive usage sessions. The inclusion of steepless speed control allows users to fine-tune airflow precisely, which is particularly useful when switching between delicate electronics and heavy debris. The design emphasizes safety and usability, featuring a power-off protection system and intelligent temperature control to prevent overheating. Dual charging options, including Type-C and DC fast charging, add flexibility and reduce downtime.
Number 5. PATUOPRO 800-Watt Air Duster. The PATUOPRO 800-Watt Air Duster is designed as a versatile cleaning and light-duty outdoor tool, blending the functionality of an air duster with a compact blower. Its brushless motor delivers steady airflow with a no-load speed of up to 20,000 RPM, making it suitable for clearing dust, leaves, and light snow. The cordless design enhances portability, allowing users to move freely between indoor and outdoor tasks without being restricted by cables. One of its standout features is the ergonomic handle, which provides a comfortable grip and reduces fatigue during extended use. The inclusion of extension tubes and interchangeable nozzles improves reach and adaptability, especially when cleaning hard-to-access areas. Assembly is quick and straightforward, making it user-friendly even for beginners. The option to choose battery bundles adds flexibility depending on usage needs, although the battery is not always included by default. And that wraps up the top 5 best compressed air duster. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.